Hello there, my friend. I'm wondering if you can hear the very prosperous wind that there is on the view here today. Magical place. People will call me crazy for sitting out in the evening here recording my video sat on a rock. Okay, so when you say crazy, you actually mean if you disagree with me, you'll find this, that people will immediately result in the insult rather than engaging with real arguments. Woo! Woo! Wow. Oh my God. And they will. People are either too angry or too stupid, frankly, to actually engage with real arguments. And being completely honest, in life, when you find yourself dealing with people who just want to fight, just want to belittle you, turn away, pay no heed, and keep soldiering on. Mwah. God bless you.